Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? Nana, she the chef, y'all wanna meet. Quickie meals, you can all enjoy it home. I can sense that you're hungry, you are not alone. Like, share, and subscribe, don't hold your breath. Stop what you doing, watch Nana, the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be unboxing Drew Barrymore's beautiful 12-piece ceramic nonstick cookware set. The color that I purchased is Black Sesame. It's a ceramic nonstick made without PTFE, PFOA, and PFOS. Compatible with all stovetops, including induction. Oven safe up to 500 degrees, including the lids. So it has a 2-quart covered saucepan, 5-quart covered casserole, 3-quart covered saute pan, an 8-inch fry pan, a 10-inch fry pan, and also 4 cookware protectors. They have sleek gold finished handles. They're easy to clean. They have sleek aluminum lids. They also said they are durable constructed and fast and even heating. Okay, so it's now time to unbox it. Okay guys, so we have our instruction manual. We have our 10-inch fry pan. As you can see, the handles are really nice and thin on them. We have our 8-inch fry pan and our 3-quart saute pan. And as you can see, the lids are really nice and thin. So on the bottom of each of her pans and the pots, there's a B for beautiful. And these are very good quality. They're nice and heavy. Okay guys, so here we have our 2-quart saucepan. Like I said, the lids are nice and thin. And this is our 5-quart covered casserole. Here we have our 4 cookware protectors, and they're all in different sizes for the size of our pots and pans. They're nice. They have the B on them also. Also guys, I wanted to show you right here, the B is also imprinted onto the handle. That gives it a nice look also. Okay guys, so I put 3 cups of water in our 2-quart saucepan. So I'm about to see how long it takes for the water to boil. I am going to place the lid over top. It usually takes 8 to 10 minutes before water boils. Okay guys, this is at the 4-minute mark and the water has already begun to boil. So these are very good quality pots. Okay guys, next I'm going to try out the 8-inch fry pan. We're going to see how good the non-stick is on here. Okay guys, I'm just going to put an egg in. This is just to test it out. Remember, you always want to use plastic or wood, never use metal in these type of pans. Just remember, I'm just testing this out. So far, so good. Okay guys, as you can see for yourself, this is a very good frying pan. You see everything, nothing is sticking. And that's without even having to spray a non-stick cooking spray on there. Okay guys, so here we have it, Drew Barrymore's beautiful 12-piece non-stick ceramic cookware set. As far as I can see and what I've tested out, I believe it's worth the $100. So you guys should, if you need a new pot set, give it a try. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.